Hello everyone, my name is Sivan Delgado from 4i, and I'm here today to talk about Divivo, the smart assistant for industry. Digital transformation is no longer optional, but crucial for industry survival. With Industry 5.0 around the corner, companies need digital skills to meet emerging demands and stay competitive, and at the same time, need to find new ways of improving working conditions of operators to reduce absenteeism rates and associated costs. Leading companies in the automotive, aerospace, and robotics industry are already using our technology and enjoying the benefits brought by new, more natural ways for humans to interact with machines. Let's take a look at the following video where we will see Divivo in action in a couple of real use cases.
La novedad más destacada en este taller es Amanda.
Hola, Amanda.
Hola Macarena, ¿qué puedo hacer por ti?
¿Qué trabajo tengo que hacer hoy?
Debes realizar la operación, montar soportes cables paracaidistas. El material se encuentra en estación 55, estantería 3, balda 2A.
De preguntarle a un dispositivo qué es lo que tenemos que hacer, qué es lo que podemos hacer, y ese dispositivo sea capaz de recomendarnos la mejor actividad que podemos hacer en ese día y en ese momento. Ha generado mucho revuelo, a la vez que mucha expectación, y al final lo bueno es que está generando una necesidad de uso muy importante dentro de nuestro taller. Todo el mundo quiere usarlo y todo el mundo quiere que se despliegue en sus estaciones de trabajo y lo quiere tener cuanto antes.
5 caps P.
Bien.
L45 2 sensores luz Intel izquierdo PT.
Bien.
Masa motor PV.
Bien.
KP7 tubería refrigeración trasero inyectores CAP.
Bien.
KP7 SCRPV.
Bien.
As we have seen in the video, Divivo can work both using simple voice commands and also natural language communication to provide on-site assistance to operators. Conversational AI brings remarkable benefits to industry. Boost productivity by improving first-time right performance, increase efficiency by providing real-time assistance to operators on the shop floor, and create safer work environments by allowing operators to work without the need of removing any security equipment, avoiding distractions, and, when possible, uncomfortable body postures while performing repetitive tasks. Divivo comes with a set of features that make it an ideal assistant for industry. It's robust, reliable in real-life noise environments, can be deployed cloud-free for better privacy, and is highly scalable. Conversational AI is already here, and at 4i, we're really happy to help you to get the most of it and enjoy all its benefits. Thank you very much. I will now hand it over to Mercedes Hermida from Mercedes-Benz.
Thank you, Ivan, for your presentation, and thank you, Ivan, for making this collaboration possible. Our pilot consists in a voice assistant for the checkman of our line 6 in our final assembly. We wanted to generate a more robust process to streamline the implementation of new tech, and also we wanted to increase ergonomics. I leave you with a video with the comparison before and after this prototype. As you have seen, with this voice assistant, check-in is hands-free. This ensures a simultaneous and therefore more robust process. Also, ergonomics increases and risk situations are avoided. To summarize, with this voice assistant, our scope is double. We gain time and performance. Thank you.
Thank you very much.